Hello, I am Severino Gabriel B. Garcia, 22 years old, from Alfonsolista, Ifugao. I am a graduate of BS in Agricultural Engineering at Isabela State University last year, 2019. I am now taking my Master of Science in Agricultural Engineering at Central Luzon State University. Our subject for today is AA 713 Basic Programming. Today we will be performing some program exercises in C programming, and to start we will write a C program converting feet to miles and vice versa. So okay, we will start now. I have set up the code block up already, and we are now going to write the C program for feet to mile program. So first we will write a comment indicating what conversion we are going to do, which is convert miles to feet, and vice versa. So the comment is optional. This does not affect anything in our program. It's not like instructions. So we will write a predefined statement, which is hashtag include stdio.h. And here we will use preprocessor directive, which is stag define feet underscore per mile, and we know that 1 mile is equivalent to 5,280 feet. So we will write it like that, and then we will have our cursive bracket, wherein we will first write void main. This is where our program will be in void main. And then we will put cursive bracket where our instructions will be in. So we will use the data type double. It's that double. Double precision floating. That's what it is called. Double. So it's just double. Then we will write miles, feet, then semicolon. Then we will use predefined statement, which is printf. Using open, then quotation marks. This prompt is the one asking the user to enter the value in miles. So we will put what it's going to us. Enter the distance in miles. Then let's enter that. Then another predefined statement, which is the scanf, should say scanf. This is where the stored value will be stored with the number location. So we need to write that. In open parenthesis, quotation mark, and then percent LF. So this is the corresponding one for double precision floatings, the percent LF. And then the value that will be put miles. Close semicolon. And then we will write certain formula for that to convert miles to feet. So feet is equal to, we will include this one, the feet per mile. Feet underscore per mile. Then multiplied to the value that will be input in miles. Oops. Miles, then semicolon. Then printf percent LF miles is equal to percent LF feet. And then miles to feet, then semicolon, and then return 0. We can use the predefined statement gets, but we need to write here hashtag include conyo.h. So I did not write hashtag include conyo anymore. So I will not use gets. So we use return 0. And so let's try building that one. Build. We need to save. So let's put feet to mile and vice versa. Save. So it's already built. We can see here that there's no errors in our C program. So let's try running the program. Wait, it's taking long to do that. Why? Let's try that again. What's happening? So push like that, and then let's try to run it again. There. So let's try one mile. It's scanning. So, there. So the miles value of mile that we see here is actually this one, and this one corresponds to that. So we have a lot of zeros. We want to minimize the number of zeros. So for that we will put 0.2 here between the percent and then LF. 0.2, then 0.2, enter. No, don't do that. So let's build again. Let's try to build again. We don't have errors. Then let's run. So again. So 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So as you can see, there's only 2 decimal places already. So we minimize that. So in order for us not to make separate C programs to get miles to feet and then feet to miles, we will use the if and else conditional statement. So for that, we will put another character C, semicolon, and then we will put printf. In this printf, it will ask us what conversion we want to execute. So it's either convert mile to feet or feet to mile. So we will put convert mile to feet mile to feet, and make that M. and then or feet to mile, feet to mile. Let's do make it that f, then what is this popping, then colon space, and then semicolon, then something to store that, scan scan f, this should just scan f, scan f, plus an open comma quotation, then percent c, because that's correct, percent c, then c semicolon, and then we'll insert the if statement. C is equal to, then single quotes, M. I know. F should be F because it's feet to mile. So I know it's mile to feet. So M, mile to feet. It's M. Then cursive bracket. Then let's just copy this one. Copy that. Put it here. LP. Let's make. Why? What happened? There's a line already. Like that, and then my goodness, I miss Control V. Then let's just make it lined so that it's good to see that. And then that, then else, then bracket, slime that one. And then just interchange it. Close bracket, then enter, then like that. So distance in feet, let's change that to feet. That one to feet, then this one to miles. Then we need to change that multiplication into division, then feet per mile. So let's just interchange these things. Feet is equal to mile is equal to miles. So like that. Interchange those words. So okay, let's try to build. There's no error. We have error here, which is 9. Scan F5. What happened? Should be interchange like that. Should be like that. Okay, let's try again. Now we don't have like those. So let's try to run the program. So it's asking us what conversion we want, if it's mile to feet or feet to mile. So let's try F. So enter the distance in miles. Wait, I think we forgot to okay, let's try M. So it's M, enter, then let's enter the distance. We say 2. So 2 miles is equal to 10,560 feet. And that's how you make program for converting miles to feet and vice versa. Now let's make the conversion for, let's try to do conversion in inch, feet to inch. So let's make an empty. So again, let's try to put a comment to indicate convert inch to feet and vice versa. So this is the comment. It can be put anywhere in our C program. So again, let's use, now we will use include conyo. Include stdio.h, then tag include conyo.h, and then our preprocessor directive, which is define tag define inch to feet per feet. So one foot is equal to 12 inches. Void main, we will just use void main. or a main function din. Then open cursive bracket, then double. It's double again. Double. Inch. Then printf. Enter the distance in feet. Semicolon. Scanf. %lf. And feet. Semicolon. Then so we will get inch here. Inch is equal to inch per feet. Times feet. Then printf. Quotation, then %lf. Feet is equal to %lf inch. Double I. My goodness, another inch. And then feet inch. To close that, let's use gauge. Semicolon. Then okay, let's try to build that. Let's call it inch to feet. Save. So we have error 11 at 11. Could that be? Could be the reason. Expected. Okay. We always forget that one. Build. Okay. We have. Okay, there's no more error, so let's try to run. And let's enter the distance in feet. Let's 12 feet is equal to 144 inches. Again, let's reduce the decimal races. So let's put 0.2. Then again we will put char here, char C, and let's try to copy so that we'll paste it. No, let's just do it like a while ago. So printf quotation convert feet to inch I saying that I, and then or feet I or inch to feet F. Like that. Then scan F. Scan F C C. Let's try to check the significant. Yeah, I was able to put that. And then let's put the if statement. If C is equal to I, then let's copy that. And then align. Goodness. Then this one. Then the else then let's change here distance in inch. Let's change that and inch. And that one to feet. Then raise, then put inch, then inch equal to feet, then inch to feet. Okay, let's try to run. So here we use Getch because we include Konya. Okay, there's no problem, there's no error. So let's try to run. Let's put I. Enter. Let's enter the distance in feet. 12. Okay. 144. Then, so we're finished with inch to feet and vice versa. So let's go to Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we have an empty file again. So let's include like the comment. Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. Let's not forget that one. Enter. So here we will make it simple because we are already 36 minutes. So include stdio dot h. So we will, it's like our preprocessor directive already. Then void main. Enter. Then we will use double Celsius again. Double precision floating. Celsius. Fahrenheit. Semicolon. And the one that's going to as. Quotation mark. Enter the temperature in Celsius. May nagkaka-pentero. Scan F and scan F, then LF 2 and then what's that? Oops, we forgot. And Celsius. Celsius. And then the formula Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. And then printf. Send LF Celsius Celsius is equal to cent LF Fahrenheit. Then Fahrenheit, then semicolon, then so I didn't use get include conyo, so we will not use get return for it to return let's try to build Fahrenheit. Height to Celsius. Save. So it says here that we have expression and then return at 0, so let's put 0. Build. Let's try to run if it will convert correctly. So let's try 50 degrees 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. So let's try lower. 37 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit. Oops. Let's try to put this one. Build again. Let's build again. Then run. So 37 degrees Celsius is equal to I think there is something wrong with our let's try to cells. It's just like Fahrenheit. But like that, then make that Celsius to Fahrenheit then. Okay, so let's try again. Build. There's something. Says here that okay, let's try to build again. Oops, there you go. Let's try to run. Let's try 50.